So this video is going to be the very first video on our C programming series. So first of all, I want to talk about the data structure of the language that we are discussing today. So first of all, we have to include our very first library. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Include, and we're including. I don't know if I'll spell it right. I think it's studio like this .h. So this is going to be the library that has all the functions like functions that functions like print function like scanf. Even all the data types are inside this. So yeah, so let's continue. So we're going to create our very first integer, in function integer main. Okay, that should be small. So after creating it, it's a void function. It takes in nothing, and then after taking in nothing, then it also return nothing. So after this, we are ready to write our very first hello world. When you are doing any programming language, the first thing you need to know, you need to be able to write an hello world function or hello world printout. So that's your very first program for today. So we're going to use our very first function from this library. So it's going to be printf, and then what are we printing? We are trying to print no, this should be double. We're trying to print hello world, right? I don't know this. Okay, world, like that. So then we know that you need to close here. Then we are ready to run. So after that, we can run our code. Obviously I made a mistake there. I was supposed to close. I don't know, I closed, then I opened, then cool. So I think I'm ready to run with no errors. So now it is executed successfully. So one of these errors only happen when I'm coding. I like them because they kind of tell you what if you make some similar mistake, you know exactly what you need to do. So let's move on now. So now you know the library that you have included to do any basic C language code, and also you know how to work with the print function. What is the print function? It prints out, and then inside here you have to put in the text that you want to print. Let me say I want to print out something like I want you to like now, like the video. Let's say like now. So if I put in like now here, it's going to, and then I run it, and if I run it, it's going to print now, right, like that. So I can also do things like skipping the line. I think I need to bring it out here now while I still remember. You can skip the line with that's backslash, and then backslash will print the line for you. Then you try running the code again. Now it's like, then now in the bottom. So this is our very first video. The next video will be on data type. Make sure you check it out. Thank you.